Hello, Professor. My name is Xinzheng Ze. I'm going to introduce the comparison between Greenland and the country garden. First of all is the introduction of the Greenland and the country garden. And this page are the tools that I used to conclude their characteristics. And when I come to the difference between the Greenland and the country garden, I want to explain more about. And the first is KA. KA side is the core business of Greenland is infrastructure and the real estate. In terms of real estate development, there are residential quarters, super high-rise buildings, convention and exhibition centers. In terms of infrastructure, some infrastructure subsidiaries have been acquired, and more than half of the revenue is contributed by the civil construction industry. The core business of Country Garden is real estate, which is basically concentrated in the development of new urbanization housing, including residential projects such as joint housing and foreign-style houses, as well as shops and hotels. Its business include real estate development, management, investment, construction, installation, and decoration. And KR is in terms of real estate development, both enterprises have a large amount of land reserve, and the country garden has a perfect proprietary property industry, which has been successfully listed in Hong Kong shares. And Greenland has a perfect property industry which has been successfully listed in Hong Kong shares. Greenland properties-wise companies are small in size, low in development, and unlisted. Country Garden has a variety of house designs compared with Greenland. The product line is more comprehensive, which can attract consumers at all levels. Greenland is in a leading position in the development of super high-rise buildings, large urban complexes, high-speed railway stations, business districts, and industrial parks. While Country Garden is not involved in this field, in the edge of various media platforms, the operation of official account of Country Garden is active and perfect, while the official account of Greenland are few and cannot even be found, which is more reassuring than Country Garden. And about CS is Greenland operating revenue is about 544.8 billion yuan, and its profit is only about 6.2 billion yuan. The profit of Country Garden is about 26.8 billion yuan, and 4.3 times that of Greenland. Greenland had acquired some infrastructure companies, and more than half of its revenue is contributed by the civil engineering construction industry. The huge difference is that it is affected by the civil engineering construction industry with high skill and low efficiency. We'll talk about 7S strategy is Country Garden is mainly about the technological innovation. It can not only help workers to complete heavy, dangerous, and repetitive work, but also solve the problem of high pollution and high energy consumption in the construction industry. In addition, the development of modern agriculture and robots restaurants, Greenland needs money to improve existing businesses, reform the supply side of the real estate industry to create a high-quality living environment, increase the skill and courage of infrastructure investment. And last is skill. In order to save costs, Country Garden adopts a centralized and standardized operation mode with its own mature and independent real estate development chain. Through business chain integration, it had mastered all aspects of the lives, such as design, construction, greening, decoration, and property, and rarely outsourced in this regard. Greenland had a national capital background, which is stronger in financing capacity, lowering costs, and longer in cycle than Country Garden, a private enterprise. In addition, we should see the opportunity of new urbanization and infrastructure connectivity to actively develop the large infrastructure industry. Thanks for watching.